Hi guys and welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to create your own Kahoot quiz game for free. If you are new, please hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we're placing new videos. Well, let's get started. First of all, we will go to a browser. Any browser, it doesn't matter which one. And we will type in the Kahoot site, it's kahoot.com. Once you are here, you will see the green button to sign up. Well, let's do that. Right here, you could choose any team. It doesn't matter which one. I will go for personally. I will do the Kahoot for family and friends. And you have to select your date of birth. So let's just hit something. It doesn't matter which we are doing. And go on. Then you will put in your username. And your email address. And sign in. So now you are going to the website again, and we could start creating our quiz. Oh yes, right here you can see the pricings of Kahoot, but we will just scroll down a little. And right here you can see continue for free, and it's the one we will choose. And now we can start creating our own Kahoot quiz game. Let's start here with making the Kahoot. So we're going to the creator, and you can choose any team, but we will start with making. Okay, right here you can add some question types like the quiz, true or false, or short answers, puzzles, but the ones with the stars are for the paid option, and we are going for free, so it's quiz or true or false. Let's start the quiz. You can type in your question. Let's do what is this? And right here in the middle you can add some media. So let's do that. Well, let's take the flower. And then you could give the answers. So let's say this is grass, this is water, this is a plane, or this is a flower. And you will mark the right answer, so it's right here. If you would like to make more questions, that's possible here on the left side to add more questions. Let's say a true or false. Sorry for that, my phone rings. True or false? Is this, well, let's first add some media. It's easier. Okay. Here, a chicken. Very nice. Okay. Is this a cow? And they're saying true or false, and we are hitting on the false. And now we can duplicate our Kahoot. So we can duplicate it. And there it is. Oh, duplicate is to copy. We will just Save it. The title, um, quiz family, and you could add some information about it, and we will just go on. And now you can share it. You can share it with this button. You can start it, the game, or you could go on with creating. And now it's finished. So let's share your quiz. Thank you for watching.